Welcome to the channel. Today, we'll update our existing React app by adding localStorage so that we don't lose product data when the page refreshes. Currently, our app can add products to the list, but if we refresh the page, all that data disappears because React state doesn't persist beyond the session. To solve this, we'll use localStorage, which allows us to store data in the browser and keep it even after a page reload. The first step in adding localStorage functionality is to check if any product data already exists in localStorage when the app loads. We do this by using localStorage.getItem and passing in the key products. This will attempt to retrieve any stored product data from the browser. Since data in localStorage is stored as a string, we need to use JSON.parse to convert it back into a JavaScript array. If there's no data in localStorage yet, it will return null, so we also provide a fallback of an empty array. Next, we initialize our React state by setting products with this value using useState. If there's data in localStorage, the state will be populated with it, and if not, the products array will simply start off empty. Now, whenever a user adds a new product, we'll update the product's state using the handle addProduct function. After updating the product's state, we want to make sure this updated list is also stored in localStorage. This is where the useEffect hook comes in. The useEffect hook listens for changes in the product's state. Each time the user adds a new product and the state changes, useEffect will be triggered. Inside this hook, we convert the updated products array back into a string using JSON.stringify and save it to localStorage with the key products. By doing this, every time the products array is updated, the changes are automatically saved in the browser, ensuring that even if the user refreshes the page, the product list will remain intact. Now, let's see how this works in the browser. I'll go ahead and add a new product here with a price and description. Once I hit save, the product is immediately added to the list, and in the background, it's also being saved to localStorage. Now, if I refresh the page, you'll see that the product we just added is still there, confirming that our data persistence is working. This ensures users won't lose their data even when they leave or reload the page. Pretty neat, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like it, leave a comment if you have any questions, and of course, subscribe to be notified of future tutorials. See you in the next video.